Alright, real quick video back on the 3034. Working on getting parts rounded up. I got the crank back. Right now I'm pulling the oil pump. Gonna do measure the tolerances inside, or check the wear basically. So it's a 5mm Allen head. 3 little screws sits in the front cover. So pop that out, measure it up with the feeler gauge, and decide if we need to order a new one. I went ahead and cracked them all loose. According to the book, they are different lengths. So we'll try to orientate them the way they came out. So apparently two of the 3 are the same length. So it's one of these funny star-shaped things. I don't remember the correct terminology or name for it. So according to the manual, between the inner star and the outer star, we are looking for no more than 10,000ths of an inch. And it's not wanting to go. Inner to outer body, we're looking for 7,000ths. That seems to be tight as well. Looking for my 6,000ths blade. There we go, 6,000ths. So what we're looking for on this one is, with everything seated tightly, we lay a straight edge across the housing. And we measure in between. So it'll drop in the hole, but it will not go. So I would, well, hopefully you guys could see that. So I would say we are just fine on all of our specs. That'll save me a couple $100 oil pump. Thank you for watching. Good morning. Thanks for staying tuned for the special announcement. A gentleman out in Utah has a YouTube channel. goes by the name of Benjamin Merritt Trucking, and he had a 1,000 subscriber giveaway. And I was the lucky winner of his t-shirt. I will say, he probably could have found a better model to show off his merchandise. But I do appreciate it, Benjamin. Thank you very much. And if you guys want to go check out his channel, I will throw a link down below. He's working on a 379 Peterbilt, doing a sleeper replacement, do a big back hole paint job. He also has a 359 Peterbilt that he's going to do an engine rebuild. So if you like those kind of things, go check them out.